Yes, go ahead.
When I closed my eyes and then the songs were playing, I felt the Shivam process in me inside, and I felt all the incompletions getting out to completions.
Great.
Swamiji,
Yes.
over here.
Which side?
Mahadeva's kitchen side. When the Shivoham process was going on and I was closing my eyes, I felt my body was disappearing into thin air.
That's good. It's good. You are becoming Shiva.
Swamiji,
Mm.
stage side.
Mm.
Why do you have that staff? Why do you have
Oh,
the staff?
this is actually, I'll rotate when I want during the process, and all of them are sitting. I don't want to put my leg on them, and I don't want to kick them. So I use this to hold and rotate my chair.
Oh, that's pretty fun.
See? So when I want to rotate, I will fold both the legs and use this and rotate the chair.
Like a boat, right?
Hmm?
Like a boat.
Bow.
You use the paddle.
Ah, okay, yes, by like a boat.
Swamiji, when did you start initiating kids in blindfold reading?
Now I think within last 1 year only. Within a year.
I remember in Haridwar you were starting.
Ah. Maybe a little more than 1 year.
Swamiji,
Yes.
Mahadeva's kitchen side. Today morning I was sitting, I was just talking to my father on the phone, and he was telling me, so you can read blindfold? So I said yes. He said, read the book in front of me. Now he's sitting somewhere in Madras right now. So I said, okay. So I said, Swamiji, now you read through me. So I read everything on his book.
You read?
I read the heading of the book. I read the title of his book. And it took me like half an hour, but I could read the whole title. For the first 2 words, it took me much time. For the last word was management. So I first said the first letters of all the words. Like there were 3 words on the cover page of the book. I said there is water on the cover page. She's like, yes. First he got a little frightened. And I was like, there is lotus. Okay. Then I read like this. There was O-N-E 1 written, so I could see the letter 1. But then he was thinking of something else. He was thinking about his tender digits. So I said, yeah, 417. He said, why are you giving me digits? I'm like, it's not written, but you are thinking something, so I can just see this.
Then what he said?
He said, okay.
Shivapriya, now you should connect her with her grandparents and do a demo. Tell them whatever you think I can tell you. They'll,
Swamiji, the kitchen side.
Yes.
Yes. Actually, now I had an exceptional experience. As you described, you open your eyes. Actually, initially I was opening, but slowly I closed it. So I suddenly found myself at the Himalaya itself. Then I was trying to come out, but I didn't come out. You were talking and gossiping everything. I was hearing from that state, but I never wanted to interfere.
That's nice. That's a beautiful state. Actually, every time I wake you up and settle down, so that you don't feel imbalanced with this reality, then I give one more dose and goes up. Then please settle down.
Actually, I remember my
Then
birthplace.
it becomes, once your inner being becomes strong, then blast once for all and be in that state.
Actually, I remember my birthplace. It is in Odisha, Jaspur, on the banks of river Baitrani. So, from started, my deity was there, Kali Ma. So I started praying her. And now you are the last year to give your all powers. So then I suddenly grew like, I forgot my body. It was just like a rock or something. It was made up, something I could not express it. But suddenly I was in that status till now. Just
That's wonderful. Enjoy.
thank you, thank you.
Enjoy.
Samaji,
Which side?
Deti side. There are stories of Shiva reducing people to ashes. Why does he do so?
No, because bad people, they were disturbing others, so he reduced them to ashes. That's all.
Why did he cut off Ganesha's head?
He was trying to stop him entering into his own house.
Yes.
You are checking me or? Come on. And he says, yes, you gave a right answer like that. You are checking my answer paper? Wow. I saw so many of you guys have put the Ganga selfie with Ganga or photographs in the Facebook. How many uploaded? So many people I saw and liked. Tuck, 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 tuck.
Today, when I left the water and staying on the bank of the Ganga, I felt strong energy. But usually, nothing new about it, I guess. But usually, if I attend any holy places or meditate, my Anahata chakra open or Sahasrara. But this time I was kind of surprised my Manipuraka chakra started working. And I tried to understand because it's a very unusual experience for me. It's related to what, my uncompletions or no?
It's just, don't worry about what is related to. Now enjoy the Ganga's power. You will enjoy. Ganga
I
is
am sure,
Mokshadaini, means the giver of liberation. Enjoy her presence. So today, shall we all take up a challenge? Unless you have a breakthrough in third eye awakening, you will not go to sleep. Shall we take it up? Please listen. In my life, please listen. Listen here. All big breakthroughs I achieved only when I challenged myself. Only when I said, unless I have this, through this sadhana, I am not going to sleep. Come what may. Only whenever I challenged me like that, all major breakthroughs happened, all great happenings happened, all great openings happened. Buddha was meditating for 6 years, nothing happened. He decided, unless I achieve it, I am not going to move from here. Itam asanam sushade sariram. Let the body just disappear here. But I am not going to move out of this place unless the enlightenment happens. It simply happened within 6 hours. When he sat by the second muhurta means second 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is one muhurta. The second 1.5 hours, he became enlightened. Means within 3 hours. 6 years tapas, nothing happened. But the second muhurta, in the Vedic tradition, one muhurta means 1.5 hours. You see, like a 7:30 to 9, 9 to 10, 10:30, like that one muhurta. Within the second muhurta, within 3 hours, you can take it like this. First muhurta, nothing happened. The second muhurta, he became enlightened. So, you need to challenge you to get yourself to the next level. Even when I had death experience here in Varanasi, Manikarnika Ghat, I just challenged myself. I said, either I will have the death experience or I die and see what happens. Either I will have death experience or die and see what happens. But I am not going to get up from this place for food or sleep. You guys don't have to challenge to the level of food, but challenge at least to the level of sleep. Is there anybody afraid you will die if you don't sleep over one night? Nobody. You understand? Why don't we try? And even if you don't sleep tonight, don't bother. Tomorrow morning we can cancel the yoga and you can come back and join in the satsang and all that. Because tomorrow we are not going to go to the Vishwanath temple, we are going to go only day after tomorrow. our chief priest is coming, Annapurna temple chief Pandit means who teaches he is coming, and they will come and receive welcome as per the protocol. So I go there and so how many of you are ready for the challenge? Really? Let's do it. So I'll initiate you guys specially for this challenge. Actually, a big breakthroughs always happen only when you challenge yourself. Just lying in the luxury of the 5-star bed, you can't expect that enlightenment should be served to you on the room service. In the intercom you call and inform, or you tell your secretary to call and inform in the intercom service, and it comes to the room services, sir, enlightenment 2 plate. Now you need to challenge a little bit. Shall we do it? Yes. So now I'll initiate you guys into third eye with the Atmalinga in third eye. And if you have a questions, please go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to offer my gratitude once again. Yesterday at the Darshan, I came to you and told you or wrote a letter that I have pain in my body. And tonight I went to bed at 12:30. And at 2 o'clock, there was a roaring in my room, like a lion or something. And immediately, someone took me on the back, and then I bowed like an arch, and like surgery on my body, maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute, I don't know. I was totally exhausted.
Great.
And it was an amazing experience. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.